Capital One card for shopping. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Capital One shopping on Amazon. So let's get started. First, install the Capital One shopping browser extension. If you have not already, you will need to install the Capital One shopping browser extension on your preferred web browser. This extension is available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Now shop on Amazon, go to the Amazon website and browse for the products you have interested in purchasing and activate Capital One shopping. When you visit a product page on Amazon, the Capital One shopping browser extension will automatically activate. It will show you various details about the product, including its price history, available coupon codes, and any potential savings. Apply coupons and find savings. Capital One shopping will scan the web for available coupon codes and discounts that you can apply to your Amazon purchase. If there are any applicable coupons or better prices found by Capital One shopping, it will notify you. Then proceed to checkout after selecting your desired product, ensuring that you have found the best available deal. With the help of Capital One shopping, proceed to checkout on Amazon as you normally would. Then earn Capital One shopping credits depending on the offers available at the time. You may also have the opportunity to earn Capital One shopping credits when making purchases through Amazon. This credit can be redeemed for gift cards. Then complete your purchase. Follow the prompts on the Amazon website to complete your purchase and your order will be processed accordingly. That's how you will easily be able to use Capital One shopping on Amazon.